Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the roof deck is solid and safe. That matters because metal needs a flat, stable base. Once clear, put on a harness and position the ladder for safe access. Start removing panels at the ridge and work downhill so you control shedding debris. Use a pry bar to remove clips and fasteners without gouging sheathing. Make sure to collect and inspect old underlayment where you see rot or soft spots. Mark and expose them for repair before proceeding. Once the old roof is off and soft spots are marked, you remove and replace sheathing with plywood or OSB screwed to rafters every 6 to 8 inches. This restores rigidity and prevents buckling. After decking is stable, install underlayment, either 30-hash felt or a synthetic membrane, starting at the eaves and overlapping by 4 inches to shed water. Make sure to run ice and water shield in valleys and along eaves. Secure edges and tape seams so moisture cannot migrate under metal panels. You now set the starter strip and snap straight chalk lines to guide panel placement. Align the first panel carefully because a single offset costs time. Fasten panels per manufacturer spacing with screws that have neoprene washers. Drive them snug, not over-torqued, so the washer seals. Once panels reach the ridge, trim and install the ridge cap and all flashings, sealing around vents and chimneys with compatible sealant. If leaks appear, check fastener seals and flashing laps. Tighten or replace as needed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.